Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Andy, and this year MSI launches a brand new gaming laptop, the Cyborg 15. Made to express a futuristic fashion style, the Cyborg 15 debuted with a newly designed body, a chamfer corners, metallic cover side embedded with translucent parts around the chassis, and futuristic geometric lines. Protruded design at the top of the frame for more convenience on one-handed opening and closing. The words True Gaming and C15 are also drawn on the bottom of the chassis, making a low-profile statement of the true gaming spirit. The Cyborg 15 has portable chassis. The 15.6-inch chassis with less than 2 kg makes it easy to go, which is perfect for those who travels a lot, like students. The CPU applies up to Intel Core i7 processor and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics. The memory has 2 slots with up to 64GB capacity and 1 PCIe Gen 4 storage slot. This time, the RTX 40 series get huge performance enhancement in game FPS. For Cyborg 15 with RTX 4060 graphics, it gets 106 frames per second in Shadow of the Tomb Raider, 86 FPS in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, 70 FPS in Cyberpunk with ray tracing on Plus DLSS, and could fulfill most of the AAA game titles. Cyborg 15 provides all the essential I/O ports, supporting 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C with DisplayPort, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet for stable connection, Kensington lock to avoid being stolen, and audio combo jack. As Cyborg 15 supports HDMI and USB Type-C with DisplayPort, it offers up to 2 extra displays, so you can enjoy the game while searching the game walkthrough or streaming. MSI has also decorated the WASD keys, arrow keys, and power keys with translucent keycaps and special design icons, allowing players to control and react more quickly and accurately during games, and also while taking the sci-fi mechanical style of the machine to a higher level. In addition, Cyborg 15 integrates full-sized arrow key and independent number pad, which greatly enhances the convenience while playing some games or doing daily works. The function keys also add convenience to enhance your gaming experience. Press function key with F7 to quickly switch to performance level. Press function key with up arrow to enable the cooler boost and get better cooling and higher performance. Press the function key with down arrow to enable the crosshair. The crosshair will be right in the middle of your screen to better aim the enemies in FPS games. In MSI Center, General Settings, you could also customize your crosshair to ideal color and position. In the default settings, press function plus F1 to F12 hotkey to launch these features. If you like to set F1 to F12 as the default, just press the function key plus the escape key. Then in the future, without pressing function, just press F1 to F12 to launch these functions. In addition, the large touchpad with smooth and responsive fingertip control, enabling you to swipe the finger without boundary. For more tips about touchpad, please click the link above for more information. As a reminder, before turning on the laptop, connect it to the adapter first to disable the factory shipping mode, which could prevent the power being turned on accidentally during transportation. And to have a more immersive and lifelike gaming experience, the sound software Nehemic helps you hear the superior positional audio with your Bluetooth speaker. And first, connect and position your Bluetooth speaker behind you, then sync latency between the front and Bluetooth speakers. Next, adjust the volume of each speaker. In this way, you can enjoy a more immersive surround sound even if you don't have a high-end speaker system. To have best performance level in your laptop, there are several settings that you could do before playing. Before starting, make sure the laptop is connected to the adapter to get full power during the gameplay. First, launch MSI Center, go to User Scenario, and choose Extreme Performance. If it's in silent mode or super battery mode, the laptop will stay in low performance to lower the fan noise or extend the battery life. Thus, it may slow down the system speed. If you'd like to manually adjust the GPU performance, click the setting, then you could overclock the GPU and VRAM to get higher performance. In addition, click the fan speed, You could enable the cooler boost to maximize the fan speed so that the system temperature will remain lower and be stable during intense usage. Of course, you could also manually adjust the fan speed according to your preference. Furthermore, you could also free up the cache from system, find system diagnosis, press cleanup disk, and free up memory. These will release unused space to accelerate the system speed. At last, find power and battery setting in system. Choose best performance in power mode. After doing these settings, you will get the best gaming performance. I hope this video could help you understand more about the brand new MSI Cyborg 15. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.